All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, my second graders. Good morning, second grade. It's excellent to have everyone back with me today on this wonderful Wednesday. I have a quick announcement to the parents before I jump into the agenda for the day. Please be looking at your email. I'm sending out an important email in just a little bit concerning a few things that might be changing for us in the classroom. So parents, please be on the lookout for that. All right, on to the agenda for the day. Make sure you're paying attention closely today because some things, you have some options. All right, I'm going down to the corner. All right, you found my video. Very good. Morning work is in the classwork tab. So up here in the classwork tab, you're going to find the morning work. For Wednesday. Take a peek at it. I threw another shape in here. I want to know what it's split into, halves, thirds, or fourths. An addition problem. And then this is the other part of the worksheet that you did yesterday during ELA. So I put back on here all the adjectives that were at the top. And in here are blanks in the sentences where you need to fill in adjectives. And you'll notice for sentence 3, 4, and 5, there are 2. So put your first adjective first, your second adjective second. You do not need to type out the entire sentence. Okay? When you're done with that, click the turn in button. And here's the option for today and going forward. If you do not want to do it on Google Classroom, this is too hard. Typing it out is too difficult. It's okay to write down all of your answers on a piece of paper like this, and then just take a picture of it, have mom, dad, Grammy, someone at home send a picture of this to me, and that is just as good as doing it on Google Classroom, okay? So do it wherever it makes the most sense for you. If it makes more sense to copy stuff down on paper and do it that way, go for it. If you have a printer at home, you can always print off this sheet right here with the print button, and you can just fill it in with regular handwriting, and that's fine too, okay? So that's a new change going forward. Alrighty. Heading back into the stream, we'll hop right into ELA time, and today you're starting off with Read to Self for 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure you're reading the whole time. After that, you're getting into your reader's notebook. I sent that home with everybody. You're going to write about one book that you read today, and that can either be a summary or a favorite part from the story and why it's your favorite part. And feel free, you can do the drawings today, make them awesome. All right. After that, you're doing Lexia or IXL Language Arts for 20 minutes. When you're finished with ELA, you're going right into writing. You're going to continue writing on your small moment slideshows. I've taken a peek at a few of them because I'm able to look at them. And so far, so good. They're looking great. I had to return 1 or 2 because some people turned them in early. I said turn them in on Friday. Okay, so make sure you're working on them the whole time. Once you're done with writing for 20 minutes, your special today is computer, and check out the classwork tab. And this is pretty routine anyway for computer time. So under specials for Wednesday for computer time, it says keep up with your typing, Duolingo, and coding. If we were at school, you would see me come to your classroom at 10 o'clock on Wednesday. The great part of being home is you can spend time doing these activities more often. So type on, code on, and have fun learning Spanish. Adios. That's a great message from Mrs. B. I'm glad she left that for you. So you know what you need to do during that time. Once you're done with your special time, feel free to have lunch, get outside, enjoy some of the fresh air that we have. I know I've been doing the same with Baxter, taking him on nice long walks. So please make sure you're getting outside, doing something fun out there. Heading back into the stream for math time. Again, a little bit different today. Pay attention. It says to watch the mini lesson below. I did a mini lesson for you. And then Book 2B. I sent home all the math books so that we can start working from the books. So you're going to be looking on the front. You're looking for the 2B. That's the book that we're working in. And you're going to be doing pages 109 and 110, questions 1 through 3. And those are two-parter, three-parter questions. So 1 has 3 parts to it, A, B, and C. Question 2 has A and B, and question 3 has A, B, C. So I should be seeing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 answers, okay? You can complete the assignment on the Google Doc or write down your answers on a piece of paper and send your answers to me. Again, that is totally fine. I totally get it that, sometimes putting our answers in the Google Doc just is not that easy. And sometimes it's just a little bit easier using a piece of paper and taking a picture of it that way. But if you're doing it in the classwork tab, I took screenshots of the pages, and I'll show you really quick. There it is. I took screenshots of the pages, the questions that you're going to be doing anyway, and you can always type your answers in over here and click the turn in button, okay? But again, if you don't want to do that, that's fine too. You can always do it on a piece of paper. All right. Last thing is science. You guys are still working in your field trip. I hope you're really enjoying it. I hope that you're seeing a lot of cool, fun, and interesting things, because that museum is one that I got to see, oh boy, probably 8 years ago. And, it's all the way in Washington, D.C. You never know when you're going to be able to go see it again. So I'm glad that we have the opportunity that you guys can actually, see it. I never had this opportunity when I was a kid. So please take your time with it. See all the cool things that that museum has to offer. And you never know, we might find another field trip for us to do. And I'm sure you've noticed this, is our classwork tab looks a lot more organized, doesn't it? What I'm doing is I'm pulling all the old work from the previous weeks and I'm putting it down in this tab called Old Classwork. If you have an assignment that lands in here, in old classwork, and you didn't finish it, it's okay not to finish it, okay? I understand that this is an adjustment for everyone, but I don't want to bog you all down with a ton of work. So if it lands in here, don't worry too much about it. Just worry about today's assignments, okay? And tomorrow's assignments. That's what I'm concerned about, okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment under the stream, or have your parents give me a shout through email, and be looking later about 12:30. I'm going to put a thing in here in the stream here in a few minutes. It's going to be right above my morning message. It's going to be a Zoom link, and I'm going to try to get the entire classroom together at 12:30. I want to try to see everybody's face, at least chat with you for a few minutes. Maybe we can try to pull off a quick Rose and Thorn. We'll see how that goes with 23 students, but we'll do our best with it. I really miss you guys, and I can't wait to see you. So have a wonderful Wednesday, and good luck today. Bye, guys.